What's up, folks? Heinz Morning Update, October 12th. Tried a video and evidently audio was bad, so we're doing it again. Slow grind up here. So we had our crazy day last week where we dipped down, piped up. More of a consolidation move up. You had a balance here, up here. This 70 level it's kind of, I think they'll really defend that. I think I said that yesterday. Your 75 here, they pulled it down to 77 and bounced it yesterday. We closed at the highs. So you had a double top there on a daily at 19, but now it's higher. We popped up to 30. 50 days at 44.38. 100 days right there at 26. So it's interesting that you've got the 50 there, 200 here, and we're just kind of smack dead in between it. So it's kind of decision time. We get north of this. 44.40, basically 38.40 is what I'm looking at. Then I think we come back up into the top of this 60-day volume range, and then 45.27, 25.27 area would be my next major big target. Here's your hourly. As you can tell, my magic green line here has been pretty much resistance. So as we traveled down, then we had this wicked move right up and then back and then boom, and now we're support. So 38.68 is support on that line, ties into my 38 or 43.70 here. Excuse me. So that's 43.70. So that's my line right there. 43.62 is your S2, so we could, that could be a level as well. 43.90, 44.05 is your pivot. 44.33 R1, it's okay. 44.47, I could see the 50 stopping as well. So if that 44.70, 50 would be decent if we get up there. But so 44.40, 50 area, I think would be a decent resistance area if we were to go. Again, CPI today, so I don't know. Here's an overlay, right? So you have your 50, 100 day, and then 200. So we're all in between it, and it's just kind of time to make a decision. Again, I keep saying this. I really want this to test down here before we pop back up, but the two tests here of the 200 might have been it. I don't know. I'm nervous, though, because everybody and their mother is bullish. So 45.18. Also a decent 45.20 that kind of goes in with the 25 and the 27. There were singles down to 43.46 as well. So if the 70 is lost, I could see that being a target. But again, I think they'll defend that 70 if we were to pop down there. So we'll see what CPI brings. SPX cash gap we chewed into yesterday a little bit. From 920, so 43.85 to 44.02 finishes that. 44.10 is your 50-day on the SPX side. Watch that as well. Cash gap down here, 39 to 35. So that's something. I kept this cash gap just because it was a base for a 4-day. So we're going to kind of keep an eye on that one. These two I wouldn't worry about. So that's kind of where we're at, right? Up, down, down, up. Again, this has been a good run up, so I don't know if this continues to go down. Euro went down to the 4.5, so it didn't go to the 4. Holding the 6 right now, just over the 106 level. So we'll see if that's going to be the V-shaped recovery or if this is the half back and we're going to test back down. So I don't know. We'll see today. Please be careful. CPI. So we'll see if the initial move is wrong. This is typically a number that would do that. Or we just have a low number and this thing just launches, or we have a high number and it just goes and doesn't look back. So I don't know. But the good thing is it's in 6 minutes and, we have an hour before cash open to kind of figure out and let the market digest it. I'll be in the room.